I want to replace all these hardcoded strings with variables. And I would like to try a simpler alternative to the TerraformVriable's construct. Let's replace this definition of the region variable with a simpler self-region of type string. Copy this value. I'll also create a new bucket with the new cdktf.py name and new DynamoDB table using the same name as the bucket. What else? A var for the stack state, one for my backend stack, for this stack, and this string will be the value. And a key var for my stack. Where is it? This one. Copy it. Great. Let's save it. Is there anything else to add? We've got the bucket, the state, the dynamo table, the region. Here we need the DB name, not touching the attributes, and the name of the bucket. Looks okay. Have got all the variables here. Let's run cdktf synth to update the latest TF-vars class changes. Great. Now all these strings can be replaced with vars. So this one is the backend bucket. Where is it? Backend, here it is. This one is the dynamo table. Backend underscore DB. Okay. Replace this one with the was region. And this is the table name again. So this one is the state for my backend stack. This is the bucket name. Okay. Got the region here. So all vars in the my backend stack have got replaced. Let's do the same for the my stack. Replace the region with vars.region and the dynamo table name, backend DB. This one is the state for the project Y stack. And the new bucket name here. Okay, save it and check for syntax errors. Okay, cdktf synth. No errors, great. So deploying this stack now would force a migration of the backend. This is because of the new bucket name and the new dynamo table. Let me migrate the state of this stack to local and create a new bucket then. Okay, this will cause the migration to the local backend. I'll do the migration now and try to deploy the my backend stack after the migration is done. Okay, Now let's try to deploy the my backend stack. See what's happening. I expect a new bucket to be created. Okay, got a new cdktf.py bucket. Fantastic, it worked. So a question to be asked is when to use the TerraformVriable construct. HashiCorp provides a recommendation to prefer using Python native methods over the TerraformVriable construct. The same preference is repeated in HashiCorp's recommendation for when to use the output values. When values are available before synthesizing the code, it is recommended to use the functionality of the chosen procedural language and supply the data as direct inputs. So it seems HashiCorp recommends preferring Python native methods to consume inputs. A valid use case for a TerraformVriable construct may be a complex variable or one that requires validation. In such cases, the TerraformVriable construct may be preferable.